Hey kids, how did your s'mores turn out? I'm sure they tasted amazing. How cool is energy that you can use it for so many things? Thank you, God, for creating energy. You know, our Bible is filled with so many wonderful things, and today we're going to learn that when God created the universe, He also created space. What is space? Let's think of all the ways we can use space in a sentence. I want to go to outer space. It's not polite to invade someone's personal space. Don't forget to punch the space bar. And make sure to save space for dessert. Space can have many meanings, but space is more than just outer space or a button on your keyboard. Space is the distance between two objects, and God created it. Now, God created matter, but He also gathered matter together, creating space. We see a good example of this in Genesis 1 verse 9. And God said, "Let the waters under the heavens be gathered together into one place, and let the dry land appear." And so it was. Genesis 1 verse 9. Gravity is a pulling force that works across space. God used gravity to attract things together, creating space. Gravity is why water flows downhill, just like Moses described in Genesis 1:9. The waters under the heavens were gathered together in one place, and dry land appeared. It's really cool to see how much meaning is packed into that verse. And in your family devotional time, you'll see even more cool details about water and how God highlighted its importance from the very beginning. Now, in my right hand I have a tiger, and in my left hand I have a fish bowl. Between them is space. But what if there was no space? There would be no space. It would be a tiger bowl, and that wouldn't be very much fun. It would be weird. Space is important. God used gravity to create space, and I am very thankful for that. Matter gathered together in some places, like water in Genesis 1:9, and it's separated in other places, like the sky or the heavens in verses 8 of Genesis 1. That is why we can have solid ground to stand on, air to breathe, outer space to look into, because of space. And God created it. How cool is that?